Good morning, students. Chapter 6 Political Party. In last video also we discussed about the topic 5 national political parties. But in that video I explained the topic part A, recognition of political parties, national political parties. Today we'll discuss about major national political parties. There are 7 major national political parties. In this video we will cover 3 national political parties. First is Indian National Congress, INC. Popularly, this party is known as Congress Party. Its election symbol is hand. This party was founded in 1885 and experienced many splits from 1885 to 2020. In 1947, India got independence and government formed by this party, and Nehruji became the first Prime Minister of India. Under the leadership of Nehruji, the Congress Party sought to build a modern, secular, democratic and republic in India. This party ruled from 1947 to 1977 in center, then 1980 to 1989, 2004 to 2014, but they lost the election 2014 and they ruled 2004 to 2014 under the alliance of UPA, United Progressive Alliance. In its ideology orientation, this party is not rightist or leftist. This is a centrist party. It always promotes secularism and welfare of the weaker sections and minorities. This party support new economic reform with human face. In 1991, Rajiv Gandhi ji was Prime Minister and Manmohan Singh was Finance Minister of India. Globalization was promoted in our country. 2004, this party was emerged as the largest party with 145 seats. But in 2014 and 19, they lost the elections. Still, in many states, this party is ruling. Next party is BJP, भारतीय जनता पार्टी. Its election symbol is lotus. इस पार्टी का चुनाव चिन्ह कमल का फूल है. Already in last video I told you that this is the privilege which is given to established parties by election commission. कि उन्हें election symbol दिया गया है election commission के द्वारा. This party was founded in 1980. उससे पहले इसका नाम भारतीय जनसंघ था. 1980 में से रिवाइव करके इसका नाम रख दिया गया भारतीय जनता पार्टी. This party wants to build a strong and modern India. ये पार्टी चाहती है भारत देश स्ट्रॉन्ग देश बने और मॉडर्न साधन मॉडर्नाइजेशन को बढ़ावा देती है पार्टी. The main element in the ideologies, this party always focus on Hindutva. It wanted full integration of Jammu and Kashmir in India. 2019 से पहले जम्मू कश्मीर का फुली इंटीग्रेशन नहीं हुआ था इंडिया के साथ. बीजेपी की शुरू से ही डिमांड रही थी कि हमारी सरकार बनती है तो हम जम्मू कश्मीर को भारत में पूरी तरह से मिला दिया जाएगा, आर्टिकल 370 खत्म कर दिया जाएगा. और 2019 में बीजेपी ने करके भी दिखाया 1920 के पार्लियामेंट सेशन में. दिस पार्टी वांट्स बैन ऑन रिलीजियस कन्वर्जन. जो लोग धर्म चेंज कराते हैं लालच में डराकर धमकाकर, ये पार्टी बीजेपी चाहते हैं कि रिलीजियस कन्वर्जन पर बैन लगाया जाए पूरे देश के अंदर. दिस पार्टी ऑल्सो वांट्स यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड इन अवर कंट्री. आज हमारे देश में मुस्लिमों के लिए अलग रूल लॉ है, मुस्लिम पेनल कोड है, हिंदुओं के लिए अलग रूल्स हैं. सो this party wants common rules, common law for all the citizens of the country. It also support. It was founded in 1980, but 1980 to 1990, this party was not so popular. Its base was increased, its support was increased after 1990s. And in 1998, this party also came in power. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the prime minister at that time. But party came in, formed the government in the alliance, NDA, National Democratic Alliance. But they lost power in 2004. Again they won the election 2014 under the leadership of Modi ji. Still, up to present, this party is ruling in the country. Next is BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party. Its election symbol is elephant. This party was founded in 1984 and it was founded under the leadership of Mr. Kashiram. Presently, its supremo is Sushri Mayawati ji. Mainly this party has base in UP and neighboring states. Many times this party has formed the government also in the UP. It seeks to represent and secure power for the बहुजन समाज. मेनली ये पार्टी बहुजन समाज को रिप्रेजेंट करती है, उनके लिए पावर के लिए सिक्योर करना चाहती है. इट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम द सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स. सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स लाइक महात्मा गांधी जी, रामस्वामी नायकर, शाहू महाराज, BR अम्बेडकर एटसेट्रा. It worked for the interest and welfare of Dalits and oppressed peoples. And we can say that about the Bahujan Samaj. Bahujan Samaj include scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minority people, etc. In 2004 elections, this party won only 5% of votes and 19 seats. In 2014, this party won on 0 seat. No seat this party gained in the Lok Sabha elections. In 2019, with Mahagathbandhan, with the Samajwadi Party, this party won the 10 seats. So again, this party has emerged as national political party. That's all for today, students.